Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for ProShares UltraPro Short QQQ. The report was first published on our website April 11, 2022, but this is a more detailed version which also includes some fundamental data you need to know. In this 7 to 10 minute long video we give you the information you need to know about ProShares UltraPro Short QQQ for the upcoming trading day on Tuesday 12th, like support and resistance levels, signals, chart analysis, price to earnings ratios, and possible trading levels. Make sure you watch the entire report so you don't miss out on some key information needed for your trading. Please remember to subscribe so we can continue to grow and give you these free videos. Make sure to hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new video. Now just sit back, relax, listen and watch the screen as we will show you some interesting data as we move along with the report. In this section you will get some information about the current ProShares UltraPro Short QQQ performance to better understand where the stock is right now. In our systems, the ProShares UltraPro Short QQQ stock currently holds a -2.224 score, and our system has ranked ProShares UltraPro Short QQQ sell candidate since April 7, 2022. In this period the stock has so far done better than what our systems expected and had a gain of 11.47%. This is an average return of 3.82% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for ProShares UltraPro Short QQQ our last headline reads, "A very strong day for ProShares UltraPro Short QQQ stock price on Monday." The ProShares UltraPro Short QQQ stock price gained 7.1% on the last trading day, Monday, April 11, 2022, rising from $37.20 to $39.84. And has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day the stock fluctuated 4.33% from a day low at $38.34 to a day high of $40. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 20.51% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -3 million shares and in total, 83 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $3.31 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $65.85, and the lowest price was $5.99. Right now the price is 39.5%, or $26.01, below 52-week high and 95.07%, or $768.63, below all-time high March 12, 2020 where the price hit $808.47. The ProShares UltraPro Short QQQ stock trends, predictions and analyst ratings. Soon we will give you the analyst ratings for the stock, but first the trends. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and falling trend in the short term and further fall within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -4.10% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -22.75% and 24.5%. The 12-month trend indicates a -28.99% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -95.30% and -8.75%. This equals a price between $1.87 and $36.35 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for ProShares UltraPro Short QQQ. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, March 29, 2022, and so far it has risen 27%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The ProShares UltraPro Short QQQ stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a general sell signal in the stock giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the long-term moving average at $39.99. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the short-term average at $35.43. A breakup through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 10 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 74 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 20 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 16 days. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 9 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for ProShares UltraPro Short QQQ. ProShares UltraPro Short QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $38.03, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $1.66 between high and low, or 4.33%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 5.36%. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, ProShares UltraPro Short QQQ meets first resistance at $41.27. If you do not hold ProShares UltraPro Short QQQ shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, ProShares UltraPro Short QQQ finds first level of support at $38.03, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. Other levels you should watch based on the famous Fibonacci model are: buy at $38.76, $38.37, $37.73. Sell at $40.03, $40.42, $41.05. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, no stop loss set. Is ProShares UltraPro Short QQQ stock a buy? ProShares UltraPro Short QQQ holds several negative signals, and we believe that it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We, therefore, hold a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Tuesday 12th, we expect ProShares UltraPro Short QQQ to open down negative 45 cents and start trading at $39.39. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.